Doug, I see you've got Patrick's bass.
Yes, yes.
We could call this...
I started shaping it yesterday, told you.
Part 4, yeah.
Part of the 4, yeah. Since yesterday's video, I've fretted it and I've put the dots in.
Yeah.
Now you'll notice, even though it's a left-handed guitar, I've put the dots in on a right-handed side because he plays right-handed.
That's correct.
So there is his dots now, roughly in, not smoothed off or anything. So
what's the what are dots made out of?
Plastic.
Just plastic. Diameter?
2 mil.
Is that standard?
No, they're all different sizes.
This is going to be a short video. I see you put the what are the dots? The
Plastic.
Finely plastic.
The first fenders were clay.
Clay?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. I mean, you can make houses out of clay, can't you?
You can. They were clay, and I think they were just doing what they were. You know, it was the 50s. You couldn't get anything. You had to make do and mend.
Improvise.
Yes,
so did he specify those, or have you just...
No, that's on his picture. His life-size drawing.
Yeah. So the state of this then. This is going to be a short video. Where are you at now with this?
I haven't done the rounding over.
Yeah.
I've cut that and I've cut the hole.
Yeah, I did that yesterday.
Right. I've no shape on the neck. That will probably come round to down to there.
Yeah, yeah.
And then that will all be shaped.
How much like radius? I
don't know what radius he wants on it. So he's gone to France at the moment. So when he comes back, I'll do it roughly before he comes back, and then he can have a feel and then tell me he hates it, and now we'll do it a different way.
Yeah.
Different shape.
Is he going to go for a gut cut?
Yeah.
I mean, he probably needs one.
Yes, yeah. He's having a gut cut.
Yeah.
He's having
more than that.
He's a tilty thing there.
Oh yeah, like a
slope.
Forearm.
He's rounding over, a slope, big slope, which normally goes that way.
Yeah.
More than the Strat one, which is that way, because it's different shape body.
Yeah.
It's longer.
The way you're holding it as well.
The way you're holding it. So it'll be that slope that way.
What?
He's having a cut out there as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Deeper than the normal half-inch radius.
Yeah.
There'll be half-inch radius everywhere else, unless it wants it even deeper.
Yeah.
There'll be a big cut in there for his hand to get through, and so that'll be cut in more, exaggerated. So it's all done by hand with a file.
Have you not got to take a bit more off there, like off the?
Yes, I'm doing that. Yeah.
Horse's tallywhacker.
Yeah. His knob end.
Yeah, just a little bit more there.
Yeah.
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 So you've got the holes in the straight line. Very good.
Yeah. That's what he wanted on the drawing, so that's what he's got.
Yeah. And yesterday we realised you haven't got the knobs yet, do you? You haven't got the knobs yet, have you?
I've got black and I've got silver and I've got gold.
Yeah.
So what else he might want, I don't know. That he wants the jack socket going in there, so when I'm rounding over, I'll have to be very careful when I get to there, because the follower will drop into the hole and we'll have a big dent like that.
You're going to put like a telly sort of socket in?
Yeah, but the Telecaster isn't as rounded over. So
yeah. No, I mean, like, if you obviously the Telecaster one is round, isn't it? With a little bit of like 2 mil overhang. You're not going to put a big plate on there, are you? With 4 screws.
A plate, yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well, that's not a Telecaster socket then, is it?
No. I've got the Telecaster sockets. Yeah. I've made the hole ready for one of those if he suddenly wants that.
You can probably just see.
He's picked a plate.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, he's already picked the plate he wants.
We got it over there.
Yes.
Well, let's
go
and let's feast our eyes on it.
Well, I don't know where I put the bastard. You can't see it instantly. You can't see it. You can't have it. No, it's not there. He's picked it, and I've probably just cast it aside into his box, and now it's. I'm not very organised, you can see, because I'm doing so many guitars at the same time. Not bad, really, for me. This isn't. To even have the box. Where his plate is now.
I wonder if the older you years ago could go in. Isn't that it there? Oh no.
There.
Could go into the future and see what you're like now. Do you think he'd be
delighted? He'd be appalled, yeah.
Good God, look what I've turned into. Okay.
That's his plate.
That's not too bad. Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
What do you mean it's alright? It's a lovely bit of chrome work, that
Yeah,
is.
it's just, yeah, but it's not. Let's not go.
It covers the hole.
Let's not go making too much out of this.
Listen, it covers the bloody hole. You've got enough room for the rounding over in us.
Yeah, no, I like it. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, so don't say it's alright.
It's not like which one you
It's perfect,
do you want to
that
go away
is.
and write a fucking
Look, it fits the curve as well.
20,000 page book
I do.
on the jack.
Look, the
plate.
bastard fits the curve. Oh, look, it's broken now.
Actually, somebody made me laugh at one of their comments that we put. I think it's one where I think you were getting a bit edgy, and there's some guy wrote something like, "Fucking hell." You turn up for an argument and then decide to make some guitars as well, you know, while you're arguing. Anyway, I think that's the end of that one.
Okay.
We'll call that Patrick Part 4.
Okay.
Right then, there you go, thank you very much.
Right.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. Fuck off.